Hey everyone! In this quick guide, I'll show you how to use one WhatsApp account on two phones. Step by step. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your primary phone. Tap the settings icon at the bottom right corner. Now, select Linked Devices. Here, tap Link a Device. This is where we'll connect the second phone. Next, move to your second phone. Open the WhatsApp app and tap Agree and Continue at the bottom. On the next screen, tap the three dots at the top right corner. Then select Link as Companion Device. You'll now see a QR code appear on the screen. Go back to your first phone and scan the QR code from your second phone. Wait a few seconds while your chats load. And that's it. You've successfully linked one WhatsApp account to two phones. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.